What's up, you guys? This is your girl Yodi coming back at you with another video. The beauty talk today, it's about this beautiful young lady. So if you like what you watch in the beginning of the video, continue watching this video because I have in detail how to do box braids, and the client has relaxer, and we're using the purple ombre highlights, and it's bomb, y'all. Like, you see the young lady in the video. Like, I'm so happy that we actually picked this color, and it was very amazing. So I make sure that I did this video in real time. I didn't fast forward it too much until the end, just so you guys can see how I grasp the hair and the process and everything, and so you'll be able to do at home. And if you'd like my service, I am available on WhatsApp, or you could go to my website, which is the kproenterprise.com, where you can schedule your services there. So go ahead and continue watching the video. The video is about 15 minutes long, not that bad. And believe me, it has a whole lot to learn. So don't forget to plug down your comments, like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. If you've already done so, thank you for tuning back in. If it's your first time here, come on and join the family. Just one click, join the family. Let me know how you see the content. Let me know what you like. Let me know what you want to see next. So we plug here every single Wednesday. We would like for you to be in the family and stay in the family with us. So we're not talking a lot. We just want you to, zoom into the video and watch in detail and how we actually had these braids done flawlessly and neatly. All right, guys. One advice I can bring to you when you're doing box braids in a relaxed hair, you need to make sure that the hair is as straight as possible, and you need to be careful when you're braiding it because you do not want to cause breakage into the client's hair. So you need to be very gentle, and you need to be very careful on how and what product are you putting in this client's hair that have the relaxed hair, because their hair are more fragile than a person with a 4C or natural hair. But on a different note, let's get into this highlight, honey. Have you seen that highlight? I am in love with the color. It's so beautiful, and it looks so pretty on her skin, and she's glowing. Everything looks so nice right now. You can see how I'm braiding the hair, so I'm loving it. Just keep on watching until the end, because right now we've already almost to the end of the video, so just a little chop till the end. So I hope you stay tuned with me until the end. right, y'all, so now that I'm done with the braiding part of the hair, now I'm getting into treating the hair and the therapy part of the hair. I did take 6 hours to do the hair, about 6 hours to do the hair, and yeah, so let's get into it. I'm going to give the hair some really hot water. Then after the hot water, I am going to make sure that the hair gets some itchy spray, the hair gets some leave-in conditioner, the hair gets some foam wrap lotion, and the hair get itself, you know, some therapeutic oils. And then I'll do the baby hair and you will see the end of the video. As well as I make sure that I always put a very warm towel in the client's hair, and that way it could kill any bacteria. It could make sure that if anything was too tight, get, you know, to their normal. As you can always see, my clients, after I done their hair, they can put it up right away. They could leave it down, do whatever they want with it. I also did a little blow dry just in case, so the hair don't feel, you know, too damp. And then I did natural baby hair, and then that's it. So stay tuned for the final look. Okay guys, we come to the end of the video. I hope you guys liked what you watched. If you did, please click on the subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and if you already did, thank you for joining the family. As always, I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video, comment, share it with friends and family. We post here in this house every single Wednesday. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you. Bye.